Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning.
8:08 na guys. Si Jen maaga to nagising kasi dapat may golf siya. Pero hindi na siya tumuloy kasi tingnan niyo yung weather. Umuulan, malamig.
Oh, yeah, well.
So hindi siya nag-golf.
Do that again.
Tapos ako, hindi ko alam kung makapag-walking tayo. Hinihintay ko siyang hinto. Pero sabi dyan, I don't think so.
What's it doing?
Ay, hinto yan. Kasi
What's it doing?
uulan daw talaga. Ayan yung dalawa. Kulitan, ano. Si Sa kasi kuya tulog pa. So, magigising na si Sa kasi maingay itong dalawa. So, dito lang. Maglalaba rin sana ako pero paano? Bukas na lang ako, Han? I'll do laundry tomorrow na lang. So, dito lang kami cuddling.
This is what you get then.
What's for dinner tonight? Uy, kagabi hindi ko na close. Naglaro ulit kami doon.
Where are you going out for dinner?
Where go? I don't know.
To the bowling.
No, we're not.
Going to the bowling
Who
dinner
said?
tonight. Dad.
Are we, Han?
He's supposed to.
Bowling daw. So, yeah. Ay, para na yung walking. So, tatlong beses tayo hindi nakapag-walk nung nagpunta tayo ng Queensland.
Like a dynamite. Yeah.
Tapos Byron Bay kahapon. Tapos ngayon, pag hindi ako nakapag-walk tatlong araw na, saan makapag-walking ako? Kasi gusto ko pumunta dun sa shop na ano, may bibilin pa ako dun. Oops. Ayan. So, ganito lang kami muna. Si Jan, hindi siya nakatambay sa labas. O, saglit lang. Tapos pumasok na siya kasi malamig.
It's cold out.
It's cold out. So, itong maliligo na siya. Gusto niya maligong maaga. It's cold. It's cold. Tapos sabi ni Jan, maya-maya siya maligo kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Dapat nga mainit kasi last 2 days natin dito. Pero wala, maulan. No, too cold for that, Baba. Gusto niyang suotin yun. No, it's too cold, Baba. No, yun na. Gustong-gusto niya nang suotin yung tube at saka shorts. Kagabi, inano niya na, sinatasay niya na yung kinuha niya na sa cabinet. Pero, ayan. Sorry. Nakaligo na pala siya. Oh. And suot niya na yung prepare niyang damit. And ayan si Sa, kagigising lang din. Anong oras na ba? 9:10. I'm still here. Hopefully tayo makapag-walking tayo. Oh, where's my hand? Just kiss. Ito, ay, look at that. Siya lagi niya akong hinahalikan paggising niya, nag-hug. I said, you always kiss me bago siya mag-CR. Dadan mo na yan dito sa akin kahit tulog pa ako niyan. Si Kuya, doon siya sa labas. Sarap pa rin ata si Kuya kasi ang lamig nga. Ang sarap lang magstay sa bed. Ay, sana talaga makapag-walk. Ano pa siya ko walking sa your what? Your phone? You didn't bring your phone? Give me another big hug, my son. Wow, nice job. Ito pala. Nabili niya rin yung kahapon.
Hi, guys.
Diba? Ano na tong camera to? Wala na tong camera. So, yun na. Yan yung gusto niya. Oh. Diba bumababa? Pangarap niya yan eh.
I wanted to wear a one, but I'm ever to wear this. I need to fix it. I'm gonna do my hair, but it's still wet. This is an outfit. Got the shorts from Gander. Got the top in Queensland at Rootkill, first shop we went. The shorts were from yesterday where we went to what's it called?
What size? Yeah, you're right.
5 to 6.
5 to 6.
7 to 8 were just like
Falling.
falling down. So that's my outfit and the jumper from Roxy. It was a mixed shop. Roxy from Queensland. It was like the third shop we went to.
Okay.
No, the last shop.
Alright. Yes, last one.
And guys, if this is like it's so warm and fluffy and
Yeah. Please kasi siya. Okay, mag-ready na rin ako. Nag-start na si Jan dito Hi! Ayan. Lagi kami niyan. Pag siyang duty, tsaka yung isang Filipina, lagi niyang kami tinatanong kung kailangan namin ng bagong linen o kaya paper towels, toilet paper. Ayan. Pinak na ni Jan yung dalawang upuan, yung sa kanya tsaka yung sa akin. Ang iniwan na lang ay yung kay Kuya tsaka kay Holly and Zach.
Yeah, I think he knows you're coming. So.
Ayan, ilalagay niya na yan doon sa storage ng caravan. Ano yan yung toilet paper. Ayan siya. Hi, Baba. Alis na dyan so I can fix the bed. Bakit? Because I'm gonna go. I think I'm going. Ay, ulan na naman. Huwag ka nang umulan para makaalis na ako. Where going yan?
Don't sleep.
Yeah, don't sleep because it's slippery.
Track.
Pali siya ng jumper kasi ayaw niyang maputikan. Pupunta sila sa pump track. Which one? This one or the close one here?
it's closed.
Ah, it's closed. So where are you going? Nowhere now. Oh, it's too early for that. Too early. No. Too early. No, Zach. No. You're not going out with that one.
10:30.
Yeah, don't you dare opening it or you're not gonna have at all. Ganyan siya. Ganyan niya ako inaas. You will see.
No, what if I don't tell you?
I'll tell you after you open that one. You better not because you won't like the consequences.
What if I don't?
You will see after. Do it. Do it.
What will you do?
Do it. So you will see. Go, try me.
Holly, I can't open this. Can
Don't open Holly because I'm not allowing him. I'm not allowing him to open it, Holly. It's too early for soda.
It's a joke, boy.
Ganyan niya ako inaasar eh. Ayan, binalik yan. And nilalagay na lahat ng maruruming damit dito sa dyan. Kasi bukas ko na lang yan lalabhan. Para pag uwi namin, wala masyadong laban. Kasi kung ngayon, bukas meron na naman. So, bukas ko na lang labhan. Para isahan. So, hindi niya binuksan.
Got this.
What? How much?
50?
Oh, when's the expiration?
I don't know. I'll check my phone if I know where it's at.
Scan niya yung barcode.
What's this one?
Got-
No, it's 10. That's not 10, dumb man.
Ganda.
No,
Really?
teen. It's teen.
Alright, okay.
Oh, here we go. A Hype, JBI5, JD, Foot Locker, Platypus, Xbox, Cotton On, H&M, Sports Girl, Rebel, Universal Store, City Beach, Time Zone, Typo, PlayStation, JJ's, Gander, Zone.
Oh, so they have Ganda. So, we can go to the mount for Ganda. Fishing si Kuya. So, yan yung kanyang susutin. And ako, ayan, hugasan ko to kasi para maligpit na rin ni Johnny Boy. Yeah, uulan na naman. Ay, nag-spit na. Kuya, it's a bit... It's raining. Nabo. Paano nang walking natin ito today?
We have an umbrella, don't we?
With umbrella.
What? Look at that without being wet.
Nag Sultana Brenna si Johnny Boy.
We have something.
Ako na.
I have sultana.
Ay,
Salamat po.
I got my spoon. Sorry.
Turn!
what?
It's not turning!
Why are you doing
Oh
so?
my god.
Can you get this phone?
Congeron's leading by one goal so far.
Oh.
What's the score?
May game yung
One goal
ano,
and nothing.
yung kanilang team today. Sa Bay. Leading daw yung kalaban. So far, isa pa lang yung talo nila.
Who said that? Dad, who
Yeah,
said that?
That's what it is, huh? I tried.
Dad, who said
It
that?
was Kristen.
Dad, who said that?
Well, I just texted him.
Dapat daw
Zeno.
crystal yung
If
pagka.
you got Play HD things, you can it's
See
update
it.
things now. Scores.
Well, can I get that?
Oh no.
Here,
Can
hand
you get
ready.
it for me, please? Dad, can you get it for me?
Hala. Are they good team?
No.
Is there any...
Tony's gone for massage.
Here, Dad, Dad, Dad.
Oh,
Dad, can
where-
you come
where
get
you
me
went?
booked in?
Oh,
Dad, can you get me booked in for
Oh.
a
no.
later?
Right
Magpa-
ahead of me.
Pamassage daw siya. Tapos
well, if
yung
you get-
yung kaibigan
Oh,
namin na
can you-
babae nagpapamassage
So if
daw
you
sa
can
ano,
get me
doon
booked
You
sa
have to ask.
malapit sa Coles.
TJ, he can get it.
Get what?
That.
No,
Nag-give
I
up na
want
dito
that.
si Sa.
Yeah, well, I don't know how to do it.
No, I know how to. I just need your permission to get the app.
I'll get it.
Well, yeah, you have to do the thing.
Yeah.
Well, can you turn it off?
No,
Why does TJ not get
he
the-
does.
No, he doesn't.
Kasi lagi may permission dapat sa daddy ko anong mga app ang kanilang kanilang dina-download. So nagpapaalam siya.
Or you can do it here.
Kasi kung walang authority ng daddy, hindi nila ma-download yung app.
Mom, can I turn that up a little bit more?
Yeah. I'm good na ba? Nanonood kasi siya ng TV, may kanta. Copyright tayo. Tapos na ako dito, sana makalakad talaga ako. Oh my God! Dito na lang ako sa kanya.
You're in trouble.
Why? Ba't naman naka-zoom?
Shorts again.
No. Did you?
You ripped them. How'd you rip them?
Ano?
What? No, there's the
Oh,
style.
I'm not buying them again then.
There's style.
Oh, daulan.
Mommy will.
Dito na lang
Daddy,
tayo
you're
magsnago.
tickling me.
Ang bango mo naman. Smells
Brush
good.
teeth, too.
Yeah, brush your teeth now. What's your banana bread? You eat banana bread.
Banana.
Yan yung ulan.
One goal to 1-3 where you're up.
Oh, we're up now? Oh, that's good.
That's pretty cool.
Oh. Hala, si Kuya mababasa. Kuya will be wet. Oh,
They won't.
I know. Where's Cade? Where's
Yeah,
Cade?
he'd be wet too because him and Ron are in the canoe.
Ah, canoe. Yung mag-ama. Check niya raw yung water. Dito ba sa roof? Doon sa likod pala ng caravan. Pasok na lang tayo dito. Wow. Ready na sana
Mom,
to.
they know how to speak Tagalog. Cookie Monster.
Ayan, ready na sana yung aking fluffy jacket para sa walking, pero wala, mababasa ako. So dito na lang tayo.
Andito na lang tayo.
Dito na lang tayo.
Dito
Oh, mag-edit na lang ako.
tayo.
Mag-edit ako
I know
maya-maya.
what that means, Mom. Dito na lang tayo.
Ano?
It means we're here in the bed. Is it?
Wait, just stay here.
Andito na lang tayo. Guys, I did my hair again. This is slick.
She loves to do her hair.
But there's a little bump, but I don't
It's
care.
alright. Dito sila. So mag-walking na tayo. Huminto na yung ulan and hopefully wag umulan habang nag-walking tayo. 12:16 na and hinayaya ko si Jan. Sabi ko, let's go for walk ba? Sabi niya na
Flogged.
No, we did not. We lost by like
3 goals.
3
oh,
goals.
we're so bad.
Oh, natalo silang 3
They need
goals. They need- So si Jan magpapamassage. Ano ba?
Are you
You
going
gonna
for a
go
walk?
walk with me?
Nah.
No. Na. How about you?
Done lots of
Nah.
walk.
Alright, mag-walking na ako bago pa umulan.
Go in there and see them in there. They got the heater cold. It's that hot in there.
Ah, the boys. Did you catch? Kuya, did you catch? Ano na? Nandun sila sa ano.
Couldn't catch a bloody cold.
Nandun sila kila Max. Naka-on daw yung heater sa annex. Okay, alis na tayo. Ha? Not good? Not happy daw sila. Na-lost sila. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ang heater nila, very powerful. So you can go to level 3.
2.
No, it's 2 now.
Oh,
Yan
I'm
yung heater
making
niya.
Max. Quick, join. I'm enjoying.
It's hot.
Alright, say Mum, love you.
Love you, Zaki. See ya. See ya, boys. Did you catch any, Kate?
Pardon?
Did you catch any fish? Na? Alright, alis na ako. Dito sila. Ang warm. That's a good heater, Han. Ang lit lang, ayan. Ang lit lang, no? Puro nahi-heat up tong buong, annex. Alright, see ya. Ayan, umuulan ng konti. Hala, wala tayong masisilungan. Tumigil na yung ulan dito. Pababa na pala ako sa Yamba Main Beach. And ang dadaanan natin ay bago. Eto. Before, doon ako nanggagaling. Iniikot ko pa yan. Then, may kita nyo yung ganito rin. Hiningal ako. Tumakbo kasi ako. Basta yan, may kita nyo naman. So this time, dito ako dumaan. Parang shortcut siya. Kasi nga, minamadali ko ang walking ko kasi baka umulan and madami nagsusurfing. Oh. Para hindi dito umulan, tingnan nyo, try yung nila, walking path dito. So, first time natin dito mag-walk dito ba sa path na to. Kasi lagi tayo doon galing, pababa. Ito naman pababa. Ayan. Doon ako lagi galing. But this time doon tayo galing. Sa bababa. Come on, son. Sana lumabas na ang araw. At wag umulan. Para hindi tayo mabasa. In fairness, maraming nagsusurfing ha. Kahit pangit ang weather. Hi! Mamimiss ko to. Itong view to. Bukas yung, sarado yung coffee shop daw. Ito na ulit ako sa My Feb Home Kitchen. Tingin-tingin ulit ako yung aking gustong kunin dito. Isa nito, yung malaki. Meron sila nitong malaki. Kuha ako nitong garlic bag. May drawstring siya dito. Then may seed. Gusto ko siyang kunin kasi sa online hindi siya naka-sale. Dito sa kanila naka-sale siya. $29. So $30 na lang. Dati siyang $49 or $50. $49.99. Ayan. Merong susundo sa atin. And meron siyang kinuha. Crystal ulit. Last time, kasama niya si Daddy. Ayan yung mga nakuha ko dito. And umuulan na naman. Dito na tayo sa car. And ayan yung ating mga napamili. And it's raining. Where?
To say who's winning the competition. That's at 2:30.
Sumali na naman daw siya sa
Coloring it.
coloring competition. What time?
2:30.
2:30 daw. So, hindi natin na-achieve yung 7K today kasi umuulan nga.
Massage.
And nagpamassage siya. I know. Tingnan niyo yung ulan. Kaya nag-offer siya, tumawag siya sa akin. Pick upin na lang kita kung nasaan ka. And after niya magpamassage, naligo ulit siya. So, nakadalawang ligo na siya today. So, you had 2 showers today. And mamaya, maliligo na naman yan.
I should try the large.
That's the one. It's nice. Why? What's
Well, I
this?
don't know if there's
Big?
hanging down here.
It looks alright.
Okay.
Tingnan nyo. Oh my God, buti na lang talaga sinundo niya ako or else basang-basa tayo. I have to put this first, baby. Ayan. Is that newcomers, ha? That black caravan? Or are they newcomers?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not good. Oh, there's one more there too.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, may mga bata tayong kasama. Kami aalis na sa Monday. Where do you think they from, Han? Their plate number is black and white. Queensland.
Yeah.
Ang hard part, yung ganyan ba? Mag-park ng caravan, tapos mayroon na sa kabila.
Beautiful.
Nag-a-assist na naman dyan yung asawa ko. Oh, good. Meron ditong isa na gusto oh wow, look at, they have their tent already but so close. Kagabi gusto niya sanang tulungan kasi ang tagal nilang makapark. Mag-partner sila pareho babae. Tapos tinanong niya, do you need guide? Sabi niya, I'm okay. Don't worry, it's okay. Ang tagal. Tapos kami ni Will, naririnig namin, ang tagal.
Like, are you alright? Do you need something? It was like, and Dad was like, are you alright? Do you need something? And I was like, you don't need to watch me stand here.
Ganyan sinabi kay John. Kaya nainis siya. Sabi niya,
Yeah.
kaya ang tawag ni Holy Karen.
That's mine.
What's that?
No, that's mine. So I
What's
like the
that?
hot ones.
Where'd you get?
Ah,
I
mental.
found them.
Oh, can I have this one then?
So, dinapop ko lang sa caravan yung pinamili. Kasi eto, sumali raw siya sa competition. Tingnan natin kung manalo siya. Ay, ang lamig, Holly.
You're not that cold.
It's raining. Come on.
I just don't like my feet wet and wearing thongs. It's annoying.
So, we have to wait here. Pa yung announcement. Ayan siya, naglalaro dito. Dito naglalaro ng 8 ball yung mga bata. Tagal magsino. Kanina pa kami dito ni Holly.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm doing some crafts.
Kanina pa tayo ng oras na. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, the peel thing.
Ito yung mga drawing. Which one is yours? Which one is yours?
It's Holly 1,000 times.
Where's your picture? Holly. Ayun kay Arthur. Ayun yung kay Holly. Which one is it?
Don't mind the skin color.
Yung white star. Yung activities dito para sa kids. Ang dami din. Ayan. So, eto dito to halos
So I'm gonna use a dog.
ginugugol ang oras niya pag wala siya sa jumping pillow. Ngayon, nakasara kasi sarado yung jumping pillow kasi nga wet. Kaya dito sila. Mamaya pa yung announcement ng kay Holly. Oh, it's not warm now.
No, turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off.
28 seconds.
Hi, nandito lang sila kasi umuulan eh. So, kain tayo nito ulit. Ito lang kainin ko tsaka yung dip niya. Yan, tapos na tayo. Tapos na akong kumain. And si John, kumakain doon ng chocolate.
That shirt looks a bit small.
Yeah, what size is that sack?
14.
Hi guys.
No, but I won't be wearing seeing it.
Okay. Nagpe-prepare na kasi kakain ng
It's so
dinner.
hot now.
And, hindi na naman siya nanalo kasi binubunot. May jar daw, tapos
I think
binubunot.
A grade's winning that.
You have to wear pants now, Baba.
My belt is sussy.
Nah, I'm
So
wearing
you don't even have the app.
this jumper.
There's no. Oh, I have the app, but
I'm
this is.
sweating in
Wait,
Whatever,
Dad,
you're
wait
sweating. You're
for
not
Dad.
sweating. You just want to show that one.
No, it's
Dad.
hot. Feel how hot I am.
Oh,
Feel
whatever.
my shoulder.
I'm cold.
A grade,
Yeah.
Feel it.
81
Feel
to
it.
20.
I'm hot.
All the fragrance is coming out.
Nah, I'm not wearing one now.
Peace. Oh. So yeah.
Oi, that's too much.
That's it. Why don't you put it on your jumper, not your shirt?
But, no, no more.
That's,
Stop wasting it.
Here's
That's
a waist.
plenty.
That is not a waist.
it's 4. That's a lot. That's so strong.
I see a girl for it. I swear, it sounds like a girl.
No, it's not.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
One.
My God.
Zach, that's enough.
What?
What?
Oh wait, no.
Oh, you waste that one.
So you wasted a stray, huh? Now I smell like it.
What?
I sprayed it here.
Because you didn't look. Where's the hole?
I did.
Oh, that's enough.
Burrito.
That's enough now. So,
Not too much on your clothes.
Is it this
That's
one?
enough.
There we go. That's it. Oh my god.
Dad, it's 6 o'clock.
Oh, yeah,
that's
that's
not.
right.
It's only.
Why were you going so
Oh.
early?
The tea.
No, why did you kick us out early?
It's only 4:54 and I said we're gonna get out. Where? Oh, you're gonna wear your new jacket.
Yeah, because it's cold outside. Binyagan natin.
I
to.
love the color.
Yeah, I know. Ay, may tag pa siya. Pero may kapalit yung ating gray at saka yung sa seed, floppy jacket. Ito naman yung suotin natin tonight. Okay, stop.
I
Look.
got dirty in the jumper.
Like, why?
It
Bad.
looks good.
Hi. You like it? A surfy?
I've never seen you wear Rip Curl clothes before.
I do have like t-shirt and
I've never seen you.
oh, You seen it, but you just don't know
Mum,
that.
I got a mess on it already.
What? Oh no, that's gonna be a stain. Oh no.
I already showed the
Holly.
guys.
What she said? What he said? That's a
I said
pain.
I showed the guys.
Oh my God. Yun lang ang problema sa mga bata. Nagkaka-stain agad ang mga damit.
Mum, are you
Gano'n ang
wearing...
kulay niya? Okay.
What top are you wearing?
Well done, Paul. You got it.
What? Dito na tayo kung saan tayo magtitinga. Where are you sitting on? Ito pala yung pangalan ng restro or bistro. Norfolk Bistro in Yamba. So, naka-order na tayo. And yung in-order ko ay wala dito sa menu na to. Nandun siya sa special board. Chili prawns pasta with bacon and parmesan cheese. Gusto ko sana ulit yung yung in-order ko dati na pizza na may prawns. Kasi sobrang laki niya, hindi ko maubos. Last time, hirap na hirap ako maubos siya. Tinulungan tayo ni Jan. And dinala ko yung wallet kasi kailangan yung license. Piniprint nila, ini-scan nila, tapos bibigyan kayo ng ganito. Kasi last time, hindi ko dinala, nakalusot tayo at may pinirmahan lang doon. So, ngayon, dala natin yung wallet para sa license. Si Kuya Steak, how about Zachary Kuya Steak? Si Jan di ko alam, si Holly Chicken Nuggets. Same?
There's a garlic bread coming, that's Holly's.
Okay. And may pabuzzer pag ready na yung order mo. And yung kay Jen, steak with gravy, veggies and chips. Ayan yung ating garlic bread. And ito yung aking chili prawns. Kay Holly nuggets. Sack steak. Is that well done?
No, it's medium well.
Ah.
Look at that blood.
It's alright.
Do you know this is not blood?
Ayan kay Kuya, gravy. What gravy do you have, Sab? Just plain gravy? Ayan.
Is yours medium well? It tastes like beef jerky. At first it doesn't, and it backs off. That's Kay, TJ, Zach, and you. You could beat me, Holly.
No, I can't.
You nearly did last time with the cheat stick. Wait, what for?
I was coming second.
This match, she said if I win. She said if I win out of the kids.
Because I got everyone.
She changes it every time. Even I have bowling too.
Yeah, because I just remember that you won my
No, me and Zach tied.
15.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do.
Tapos na palang kumain. Yung pasta hindi ganun, hindi masarap. Kinain ko lang yung prawns. Tapos si Kuya trinay niya din. Hindi siya ganun. Mas masarap yung sa kabila, sa tavern. Masarap yung pasta sa tavern. Wow! Init na siya. Namumula na siya kasi naglaro na naglaro.
It's your birthday.
Dito na kami. Maglalaro ako. do you call that one? No, the one that she used before. The one she used before last time. What was that?
The cheese stick.
Okay, it's my turn.
Oh, you want some? You want some? Faster.
Hindi ko nakuhaan si Zach. Almost. Kay Zach. One shot. Now you know how to play, Zach? Oh!
That's so bad. That should have been a try.
Oh!
That should have been. Oh no way.
Go straight.
That's a better ball, Rob.
That's one.
That's a better ball.
Oh no, Zach! Oh, you lost. Naka-strike si Kuya. Okay, uwian na. Close the vlog now. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Please like and please subscribe. And if you haven't yet, see you on our next.
If you haven't yet,
see you on my next vlog. Boom, boom, boom.
good night,
Good
guys.
night, guys.